Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen that He has guided you to accepting Islam. And this by far, for you as an individual, is a pure selection from Allah to choose you from all others, from all artists, from all people indulged in haram. Allah chose you specifically to save you from hellfire and from this haram line of work. So praise be Allah, praise be to Allah, the Almighty, that guided you to Islam, and all praise due to Him that He showed you that this haram work is haram and you avoided it. Secondly, what happened in the past is gone and is forgiven, and you've started a new chapter of your life. It's clean, no sins. Regardless of how heinous the sins you've committed in the past, it's gone.